Hey guys, what's up? I am back. I've got a ton of updates to share with you today that you don't want to miss. So, in today's video, we are going to dive into some really important updates, everything from replacement SNAP benefits for those affected by Hurricane Hen, summer EBT benefits, yes, even though it's fall, we're still talking summer benefits, and a new program offering $725 a month for families in need. Plus, so much more. So if you're ready to get all the latest and greatest info, stay tuned because I have got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome to Financial Futures. On this channel, we talk all things shopping, saving, and everything in between when it comes to maximizing your money. We break down government programs, financial benefits, and all the tricks and tips to make sure you're getting the help you need. And I'd love to have you as part of my internet fam. It's super easy, just hit that big old red subscribe button down below. Boom, you're in. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you love me bringing this type of content to you. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you the latest updates. Alright, let's kick it off with an update on summer EBT benefits. Yep, we're still talking about them, even though fall is upon us. Some of you out there might be wondering, why are we still waiting on summer benefits? Well, let me break it down for you. Missouri has finally given us some updates about their summer food aid. As you know, the program was meant to help kids stay nourished while school was out. But some states just couldn't get it together, and Missouri was one of them. They didn't start issuing benefits until September 19. So far, only 9,500 kids out of the estimated 490,000 have received benefits, which is wild. That's a lot of kids still waiting on their benefits. But don't worry, they're saying that everyone who qualifies should have their benefits by the end of the year. So if you're in Missouri, be on the lookout. And for those of you wondering, that's about $58.8 million in benefits overall. Now, for parents out there, make sure you're checking your mailboxes and accounts. Some families are getting those good old blue EBT cards, not white, blue. And foster children were prioritized first. If you haven't gotten yours yet, don't worry, it's on the way, just a little late to the party. Now let's switch gears and talk about replacement SNAP benefits for those of you affected by Hurricane Hen. If you live in Ohio, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, or Louisiana, and you lost power, your food may have spoiled. Don't worry if you bought that food with your SNAP benefits, you can apply to get those benefits replaced. To qualify, you have to meet a few criteria. You must already be receiving SNAP benefits. Your power had to be out for at least 4 hours. Or if your home was damaged by fire, flood, or storm, you also qualify. But listen up, Florida, especially those of you in specific counties. You have until October 6 to apply for your replacement benefits. So don't wait. Get on your Department of Human Resources website and fill out that form today. If you lost power and are still struggling, drop a comment below. Let's talk and see how we can help each other out during this time. Speaking of replacement benefits, did you guys know Congress extended SNAP replacement benefits through December 20? That's right. As part of the federal stopgap legislation, replacement benefits are still available if your SNAP was stolen due to scams. Unfortunately, scammers have been using skimming devices to steal SNAP benefits from people's EBT cards. Okay, y'all, let's talk about some real money coming your way. If you live in Sacramento, California, there's a new guaranteed income pilot program launching on Monday, September 30. It's called the Family First Economic Support Program, and they're giving out $725 per month to qualifying families. To be eligible, you need to meet the following requirements. You must be the parent or legal guardian of a Black, African American, Native American, or Alaskan Native child between the ages of 0–5. Your household income has to be below 200% of the federal poverty level. That means, for a family of 2, your income needs to be under $40,880 per year. If you qualify, you can use the money however you need, whether it's paying rent, bills, or anything else. So if you're in Sacramento, get on that application ASAP. Lastly, for my WIC users in Wyoming, heads up. Starting October 1, your old cards won't work anymore. The Wyoming Department of Health is rolling out new cards with updated technology that'll make it easier to monitor your balances. You can use the WIC Shopper app to track your benefits, so be sure to download that if you haven't already. Alright y'all, that's it for today's update. Remember, if you were affected by Hurricane Hen or live in one of the states I mentioned, go online and apply for your replacement SNAP benefits ASAP. And if you're in Sacramento, don't sleep on that $725 guaranteed income program. It could be a game changer for you. As always, thank you for your love and support. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.